Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a Citroen Peugeot key. This is the proximity model, which starts from 2011 up until 2021 even. So in order to open the case, you have to push this top button here, and that will release the emergency blade, which is on the side here. Okay, once that is out, you have to remove the back cover, and you have a small gap over here to do so. I'm not going to be able to show it to you, but it's just underneath here. Okay, once you push that open, you have the back case which comes out, and you have the battery there. With the help of the small flathead screwdriver, release the battery. Once that is released, in our case is a CR2032 battery, push it back in with the positive side up, okay, like in the video. You put the case back together. You start by aligning these two guides first, and then make your way to the top. Add the emergency blade, and your key is ready to go. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.